Hi everyone, I'm Fanny's mom. Today I would like to share my creative recipe with you. It's a simple and delicious turnip cake that's really easy to make. Let's get started. First, peel the turnip and cut into small pieces. Add some water. Then blend it into smooth puree. Any blender or food processor will do. Now we'll prepare the dry ingredients. I'm using rice flour. I recommend a brand from Thailand, Korea, or China. Usually give the turnip cake a better texture. Next, we add tapioca starch. This helps make turnip cake soft and slightly chewy. For seasoning, I add salt and white pepper. Pour in the turnip puree and mix everything well until smooth. The batter should look like this. Lift the spoon and it should pour down in one smooth line. Now the batter is ready. I also have some edible flowers. I bought them from a local farmer's market. If you don't have any, just skip them or use other colorful vegetables. Now I'm using a square Japanese non-stick pan. Wipe a little oil on the pan and then pour in the batter and spread it out evenly. Don't let the pan get too hot at this stage, or the batter will set too quickly and be hard to spread. Pan fry over medium heat. When the edge starts to lift, sprinkle some dyed ham over the batter. You can use any dyed ham from the supermarket, and then add some edible flowers. You can also use chopped green onion, cilantro, or other vegetables. After adding the ham and flowers, you can start rolling it up, just like Japanese tamagoyaki, and keep rolling it into a long rectangle. Spray a little more oil into the pan. Cook the turnip cake until it is golden brown on both sides and fully cooked. You can decorate the top with some edible flowers. Cook them for a few seconds so they stick to the turnip cake. Let the pan cool down a bit before you pour the batter again. I made 4 turnip cake with this batter. This turnip cake is much easier to make than the traditional version, and it tastes even better. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.